This is the AI News Flash for April 1st, 7 a.m. UTC. First up, Chinese AI company Zhipu has reported its first full-year earnings since its Hong Kong IPO, sending shares up 35%. Revenue for 2025 surged 132% to 724 million yuan, roughly $105 million, driven by on-premise deployment revenue, more than doubling to 534 million yuan. However, net losses widened significantly to 4.72 billion yuan from 2.96 billion, as R&D spending continued to climb. While the revenue fell short of Bloomberg analyst estimates of 756 million yuan, the market rewarded the growth trajectory of what is the first Chinese AI company to report post-IPO results. Next, OpenAI's ChatGPT has become the first major AI chatbot to launch on Apple CarPlay. With the iOS 26.4 update, drivers can now have hands-free voice conversations with ChatGPT directly from their car's dashboard. The CarPlay version is entirely voice-based with no text displayed on screen, designed to minimize distraction while driving. Google's Gemini and Anthropic's Claude are expected to follow with their own CarPlay integrations, opening up a new frontier for in-car AI assistants. In an infrastructure news, Google is reportedly close to finalizing a deal worth over $5 billion to finance a massive data center in Texas for Anthropic. The facility will start at 500 megawatts, with expansion potential up to 7.7 gigawatts, operated by Nexus data centers. Construction is already underway. Google has previously invested around $3 billion in Anthropic. This new deal deepens the relationship across three layers: chip supply, cloud infrastructure, and direct capital. The move highlights an unusual dynamic in the AI industry where competitors are simultaneously collaborating on infrastructure while competing on products. Finally, tech industry layoffs in the first quarter of 2026 have surpassed 85,000 people across 208 companies, averaging 936 job cuts per day. Amazon leads with roughly 16,000 cuts. Block is reducing its workforce by nearly half, with CEO Jack Dorsey declaring a full transition to AI. However, analysts remain skeptical that AI is the true driver. Many point out that actual AI replacement of entire roles remains limited, and companies may be reframing financial restructuring under the banner of AI transformation. At the same time, companies are actively hiring for roles that barely existed 2 years ago, including AI engineers and machine learning operations specialists, highlighting a deepening polarization in the tech labor market. That's all for this AI News Flash.